How to change Windsurf Icon 2025. Follow these instructions. Open the Windsurf app or software where you want to change the icon, and go to the main screen or dashboard area. Tap the Menu or Settings button, usually found in the top right corner, to find customization or appearance options. Scroll down and find the option that says App Icon, Change Icon, or something similar depending on your version. Tap on the icon setting and you'll see different icon styles, shapes, or color options that you can choose from. Pick the icon design that looks best to you. It could be classic, colorful, or something new from the latest updates. Tap Apply or Confirm to save your new icon choice and give it a few seconds to refresh with the updated look. Go back to your phone or desktop home screen and check that the Windsurf icon has successfully changed. Thank you for watching.